How to make the portal transition. Today's video is sponsored by Chanel. Add a drop warp transition between your clips. Right-click on it and select to open it in the Fusion page. Add a merge node after the transition. Bring a background node and connect it to the merge. Add an ellipse mask to the background node. Uncheck the solid box, and increase the border width and the soft edges to your liking. Right-click to the width slider, and select expression. Drag the plus sign and connect it to the height slider. Right-click to the height and select to modify with anim curves. Go to the modifiers tab, change the curve to easing, and set the in and out to sign. Decrease the scale value to 1.5. Select the background node, and change the color to white. Add a displace node. Bring a fast noise, and connect it to the displace. Increase the detail slider to your liking, and the scale slider all the way up. Select the displace node, and increase the refraction strength a bit. If you want, you can increase the seethe rate of the noise to add some animation. Add a glow node after the displace. Decrease the shine threshold. Play around with the spread value to find out what works best for you, choose a color that you like, and increase the gain slider. Go back and forth to the mask and the glow node, and adjust the sliders until you've got something that you like. If you liked this clip, subscribe to this channel. If you didn't, you can also subscribe.